guys, it is me, Stace. I am back again today with another Friday PIP, which is our Pinterest inspired project. And today we are making this super cute little box. This is called a 2468 box. There's the front and then we have the sides. Alright, so to get started you will need a piece of cardstock for the box. This piece measures 8.5 by 5.5. A scrap of that same color, this is about 3 by 3. A scrap of white, also 3 by 3. Then 2 pieces of paper, and they both measure 1 3/4 by 3 1/4. So the first thing I'm going to do is do some scoring. I'm going to bring in my Cricut trimmer, and we're going to score this on the 8.5 inch side at 2, 4, 6, and 8. So first is 2 inches, then again at 4, 6, and then our last one is at 8. That's how this box got its name, 2, 4, 6, 8. Super easy box. Alright, so now on the 5.5 inch side, we're going to score this at 2 inches. Get that lined up there. Okay, so we are done with that. We can set that aside. I'm going to go ahead and crease all of our score marks. Take your bone folder. I like that you can make 2 of the boxes out of 1 sheet of 8.5 by 11 piece of cardstock. And just to the bottom. Alright, now we're going to take our scissors, and we have the 1/2 inch side here. We're going to cut that whole bottom piece out. Just like such. And then on the flat part, we're going to cut it on an angle. Okay, so it should look like that. Then go ahead and cut on all your score marks. Okay. Right, now we're going to take our glue. I'm using Art Glitter Glue. I get it from Made It. We're going to put glue on our flap. And I'm having my glue go close to the fold as possible. Do you guys hear that rain? It is pouring outside. Just fold that over and line it up. And give it a good squish. Alright, now we have the bottom. Now we have the seam. I want to have the fold in the back. So just fold all of this in on itself like that. And we're going to just glue that shut. So I want to have this piece come this way. This is the front. I want to have a clean fold here versus if I was to go this way, you can see the paper. Okay? So open all that up, and I'm just going to put glue on this one piece here. And then just make sure your box stays straight. Okay, perfect. There's our box. You can leave it just like that, make a lid if you want to. All right, now we have our 2 pieces of paper, and again, these measure 1 3/4 by 3 1/4. I'm going to take my glue. And you can do one on the front only or the front and the back. I chose to do the front and the back. Just lay this in there on the front, get it nice and straight and centered. Let's do our back piece as well. Okay, it looks pretty good. Alright, now what I did, you're going to take your sides and just push them in and then close the box. You will see by doing that, it creates that little on the side. I'm not sure what that's called. Alright, I also made a little template for my punch holes. So again, I'm going to just get this lined up to where it's nice and straight. Take this piece on top. Then I'm going to take my big bite and punch those out. You can also use a stapler if you want to make it a little bit easier. Alright, let's go in there and punch one, make sure it's straight, punch the other one. Okay, this way I know my holes are straight here. Now we're going to take some twine. We're going to feed it through. And just close this. Feed it through the one hole in the front Bring it around to the back. Okay, there we go. I'm going to tie this into a little bow, hopefully. Take my clip off now. Okay, and then just fix the loops so they're not so big. Get your bow how you like it. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. Go ahead and cut the tails off. There we go. All right, now for the front, we have that scrap of white. I'm going to use one of May's stamps. It is called Sweet Stuff. Really good one if you guys make a lot of treat boxes. And I'm going to use Verna Blvd ink, which just matches my cardstock. I'm going to stamp this down. This just says, "You make life sweet." Stamp that down. I'm going to punch that out. And I'm using the 1 3/4 inch circle punch to punch that out. And I'm also going to use the 2-inch punch on the Verna Blvd piece to punch that out as well. Okay. I'm going to flip this guy over and put some foam squares on the back of him. I'm going to use 4. You can probably get away with less, but alright. Give all them a squish. Take the backings off. Okay, and I put this on that piece here. Alright. Flip it over, put some glue on it. Put it on the front of your box. Just give it a little bit of a rub, kind of hold it there. So there you have it, my friends. There's that box, and then we have that box. Super easy, super cute. Don't forget, if you want to receive the card kit to make the box, just go to my blog, leave me a comment saying you want to enter to win, and I will pick a winner. Now, you will also get in the kit, you'll see here, I did give you the punch outs of the circles, and I gave the 3x3 squares. So if you want to use your own punch or use a different shape, you can do that. But anyway, guys, there you have it, our Pinterest-inspired project. Any questions at all, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.